Are you interested in setting a complete e-commerce store in minutes? Meet ShopFunnels, a no-code e-commerce builder that lets users set up online businesses with only a few clicks, supporting all major payment gateways and free plugins. Let us see what this great software is all about and discover a great deal for you and your business. Using this builder, anybody can construct a successful online business and sell anything they like to their customers. It comes with everything you need to generate and convert that traffic into profits and everything you need to set up your store correctly. In addition, this software is compatible with all of the most common payment gateways on the market, and it also has integrated email marketing and reminders for carts that have been abandoned. This e-commerce builder comes at a price that won't break the bank, but doesn't skimp on its features. A drag-and-drop designer, an advanced inventory management system, profit-boosting plugins, support for marketing and external plugins, payment gateways, GDPR compliance, A/B split testing, and more are some of the features that are included in this platform. You won't need to deal with customers or products. You won't have to put in any effort to get to the good part, the profits. ShopFunnels provides all the tools and resources necessary to start building profitable niche e-commerce websites, even if you have no experience in website design or programming. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Create excellent e-commerce websites using ShopFunnels. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.